Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download Windows 11 version 25H2 directly from the official Windows Central website. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Windows Central and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official Windows Central website. Once the site opens, go to the top menu and click on Windows. Inside the Windows section, click on Windows 11. Now scroll down the page until you find the download link for Windows 11 version 25H2. Click on that link. A new page will open with all the available download options. Scroll down again, and you'll see that Windows 11 version 25H2 is available in 38 languages. From here, I'll select English. Finally, click on the English version, and the download for Windows 11 version 25H2 will start automatically. And that's it. You've successfully started downloading Windows 11 25H2. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.